Howdy there, folks. This is Luke Charles Kuhn at Kuhn Truck and RV, your little RV specialist. Started by our mom and dad in 1976, we are proud to be a second-generation family-owned and operated business. My friends call me Luke, my sisters call me Charlie, and my 23 nieces and nephews call me Lukey Poo. But you can call me anytime at 440-OHIO-RVs. A member of our growing team would be happy to help you. Please check out our website at truckandrv.com to view all of our inventory. Again, it's truckandrv.com. There's a direct link to this particular RV in the video description below. If you follow this link, it will take you to our website where you can see the pricing and information on this unit. Once this unit is sold, that link will be removed. We are a full-service dealer offering a warranty as well as financing packages. If you have any questions, please give us a call at 440-OHIO-RVs. Again, that's 440-OHIO-RVs. For sale today, we have a 2008 Roadtrek 190 Versatile with 77,390 miles. Alrighty, folks, here we are inside of this 2008 Roadtrek 190 Versatile. As usual, I'm going to start in the front, work my way towards the rear. I'm going to do my best to give you a good idea of the overall floor plan as well as the overall condition of this unit. Here at Kuhn Truck and RV, we are proud to be a second-generation family-owned and operated business. All these RVs go through the same inspection process before they hit the web. We'll go through a full demo with you at the time of sale, answer any questions you may have. If you are not familiar with the differences between the 190 Popular and Versatile, we have a video outlining those differences. We'll put a link to that in the video description as well as on the screen. Essentially, on the Versatile, we've got 4 chairs up front as opposed to possibly 3 or even just 2 on the Popular. So 4 chairs up front on the Versatile. We've got side-to-side sleeping in the back. We've got 7 seat belts, so 4 seat belts up front, 3 seat belts here on the rear couch. This Versatile is a great option if you are looking to take people along with you, perhaps taking the family west or something like that to go on a big adventure, and you want to be able to have lots of belted passengers, then the Versatile is for you. Got our manuals here in the back of the seat, some storage there. These things here are cup holders. You can open this window. The mechanism is behind this little flap. There's a screen here. Can pull the curtain across here for privacy. Got a switch for the inverter. The inverter will invert the DC power of the coach batteries to AC power. That'll be so you can watch your TV. Got our porch light here. Generator start-stop switch. This has 249 hours. It's an Onan 2800. This is a fresh service, fresh oil change by our certified Onan technicians. This is for the propane water heater. You're going to turn this on and off here. This will ignite itself. These are the levels test here. You're going to push and hold this button. It's going to light up the monitor here. These are notoriously finicky, so don't always trust these, but we've got liquid propane gas, fresh 1 and 2 for our main freshwater and our winter tank. We've got our holding, which is going to be our black and our gray. Coach battery here. Water pump on off. This will turn the water pump on and off. That runs on the coach battery. That will pump the water out of the onboard freshwater tank. We've got our coach battery disconnect. This will disconnect the coach battery to prevent parasitic draw. We'll also disconnect the charging systems to the coach battery, which are the alternator while you drive, the shore power plug-in, or the generator. Got our fuse panel here. This has our AC breakers and our DC fuses. Got a table mount in the front and in the rear. Our bathroom is in here. The shower drain is below this trench cover here. That's going to help keep the water from getting up front. So it'll be beneath this little trench cover. You can pull out of there if you're using the shower. We've got about 73.5 inches of headroom in the basin, about 69 inches here in the raised up part in the front and rear. Got our propane furnace that is controlled via the thermostat, which is in the back. We'll see that here in a little bit. Got a window screen here on this lower portion. You can crank that open or closed. Got AC power here, so you can plug your goodies in. Got the little covers here that go over the front windows, so you can block off the front windows with these covers if you'd like. Got a microwave. This runs on AC power, so our shore power plug-in or our generator. You can start and stop the generator whenever you'd like. You can run that while you're driving. Got an AC power plug in there that the generator, or excuse me, the microwave is plugged into. The window here in the kitchen does not open. Got Corian countertops. Single basin stainless sink. Got a 2-burner propane cooktop. Got a 3-way Dometic fridge freezer. This is a three-way, meaning it runs on AC power. So our shore power plug-in or our generator, DC meaning the coach battery, or propane gas. Got instructions there in the bottom of the box. It's the back of our water heater. So here in the bathroom, you can pull the shower curtain out around the track. Got the fantastic fan here that will act as your exhaust fan. Can also be your attic fan at night that runs on DC power. So your coach battery. Got your stool here. You're going to take care of your business in the center aisle. You can flip this out here for more privacy. Also going to give you access to the mirror. Got your toilet paper. So everything you need to do to be able to take a quick shower or use the toilet while you are on the road. Got our DVD player. This is for our TV over here. TV's on a swivel mount, so you can swivel that around to face the front. Front two seats both swivel, so you can essentially watch the TV from the front if you'd like. Got some speaker controls here, AC power plug-ins, closet so you can hang your jackets. It's a table leg. Here's the table. Got another flip out here. You can actually flip this part of the door right here. Gotta flip this little thing here. You can flip that out to block off the back if you'd like privacy back there. These are locked when they're clipped in. Here we've got our winter tank. This is filled from the rear entry door. It's a smaller tank that's located inside the Roadtrek in case you're planning on doing some colder weather camping. Do not use that as an encouragement to go out into the frozen tundra for extended periods of time. If you have questions about cold weather camping, ask us at the time of sale, and we'd be happy to help with that. We've got nice deep storage compartments here on either side. Got the Cool Cat AC and heat pump. Heat pump will work down to around 40 or 50 degrees outside temperature. Below that, you're going to have to use the propane furnace. All that's controlled through here, just like your house. Got a switch here that's going to run the power sofa up and down. Got screen window over here on the lower. Screen window over here. This window opens in the back here on this side, but does not have a screen. This one does not open. Got cup holders here and over on this side. We've got AC power over here and also over here. You'll get those 3 belts here on the rear sofa, 4 belts up front, total of 7 belts. You're gonna push the button. It's gonna flatten the sofa out here so you can sleep. You're gonna sleep side to side in the Versatile. Gonna drop some pictures now so you can see what that looks like made up and get some measurements. The bed measures approximately 50 inches north-south or front to back and 68 inches east-west or side to side. If you want to lay on the power sofa without putting it down, it measures approximately 18.5 inches north-south and 68 inches east-west. Here we are sitting in the rear of the Roadtrek. What do you call birds that stick together? Velcros. A little bit of marking there on that piece of wood. TV swivels out to face the front. You can swivel the driver and passenger to be able to watch TV from the front if you'd like. You can also make up 2 smaller sleepers up front here. These are best for small adults or children. Got a couple little marks here on the wood. So all in all, we got a nice Roadtrek here. So it's gone through our full inspection process. It's ready to hit the highway. We're going to go through a full demo with you at the time of sale, answer any questions you may have. I don't know if I mentioned that's the TV antenna. You do not want to drive around with that cranked up. So again, check this one out at truckandrv.com. I'm going to call this one an 8.5 out of 10. Again, check it out at truckandrv.com. Kuhn Truck and RV, the best little RV dealer around since 1976 and home of the RV brothers. Alrighty, folks, we're going to go around the outside of this 2008 Roadtrek 190 Versatile. This RV measures 20 feet, 6 inches bumper to bumper with an 11-foot manual Fiamma awning. The tires are Michelin's with 0516 date codes. This Roadtrek is built on a Chevy Express 3500 chassis with a 6-liter V8 engine with 77,390 miles. coach battery. Pretty good looking exterior on this one. Got a few small little chips and things like that here and there. But overall, still very good looking on the outside of this one. Got a new awning end cap on the way here that's coming in the mail. We'll have that on there shortly. Got our air conditioner coming out of the back. Got our propane tank down here. This is mounted to the unit. You'll have to drive somewhere to have that filled. Got a tow package. You can drop the spare tire down like so here. Some people use this like a grill station at their campsite. Got storage beneath the sofa in the rear. Got the awning crank and center rafter. This is a gravity fill for the onboard winter tank. That's a smaller freshwater tank that's located inside of the coach. If you have questions about cold weather camping, ask us at the time of sale and we can help with that. Come around to the driver's side. Got the fuel fill for the engine and the generator. This is the generator exhaust down here. The generator is located up underneath where the spare tire normally would be. Got nice alloy rims on this one. Closer look here at this side. You know, we got little small dings like that. But all in all, very good looking, especially for 2008. Got the back of the water heater, back of the refrigerator, furnace exhaust. This is our outside shower. This is nice for kids, pets, going to the beach, keep the mess outside of the camper van. You can run the shore power cord. This is mounted to the unit, so you can't remove this. You can run that through this little opening here and then down to the ground, so you can have this door shut. Got our macerator hose here, light there. That's the way the macerator is gonna work. You're gonna pull the black like you would normally do. You're gonna push the red button there on the seat, and that's gonna pump everything out of this tube. So black first, then you're gonna do the gray. It's gonna flush everything clean. This is the mechanism here for swiveling the seats. So you pick that up. It's kind of hard to do with one hand, but you pick that up and swivel the seats around if you'd like to do that. This is the fill for the main freshwater tanks. That's your larger freshwater tank here on the Roadtreks. It's the one you're gonna get more water in. So all in all, nice Roadtrek here. Got 7 seat belts. This is a great unit if you're looking to go on a family adventure perhaps. Take lots of people with you. Check this one out at truckandrv.com. Kuhn Truck and RV, the best little RV dealer around since 1976 and home of the RV brothers.